Today we're going to be installing an exhaust on my S1000R. Here's a startup. To take it off, it's only going to take 2 Torx bits bolts, one on the hanger and one on the exhaust pump. As you can see, it's pretty much straight through. This first one I'm trying on is a 2.5 to 3 by 12. This one's a 2.5 to 4 by 12. This one was just for fun. I just wanted to see what it would look like. So I ended up going with the 2.5 to 4 by 12. And right now I'm going to cut cross hatches. And I'm going to close it together. Just cutting off the old nut and bolt since that won't work for me. Looks like it almost came out like that. Now I'm just using the vise to try to close up the gap. This didn't really work out well. Alright, so I used some exhaust wrap. I cut up the aluminum and then I placed it under this band clamp right here. And this is the tip that I used. So all in all, we're pretty much $60 into it. This is everything installed. I kept the OEM heat shield. remember to subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments and if it was worth it or not.